Alright, back in the shed again. In this video we're looking at an Equatech LED neon light strip. It says create your own shape, flexible 5-meter USB powered light strip with smart app download, remote control and easy to bend into your own shape or word. I got this from Home Bargains, believe it or not, but I got it such a long time ago. I can't remember how much I paid for it. I think it was £9. It doesn't say anything else on the back. It's just got this in it. So, not my favourite place. Let's have a look what these instructions say. Is this working right? Let's have a look what it says in here. When installing the light strip, do not install strips into wet hands. La 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 la. Magic Lantern app. The Magic Lantern is a mobile app that controls the LED lighting strip through iOS or Android. So what's in the bag? Oh, you've actually got little tiny brackets where they obviously slot on with little screws and raw plugs. I mean, I would have rather there would have been double-sided tape or something like that, to be honest. But you've got quite a few of them. Let's see what it's got in the bag. Let's see if I can open it first. Let's have a look. Come on. All right. You got quite a bit of it. Well, it says 5 meters, doesn't it? Nothing else in the bag. I like these already. It's got a very thin wire, which you don't want a massive thing, but and a little USB-A connection. Underneath it has an LED controller, so it must have sound on it as well. Let's put the remote over there. Let's have a look. Let's get this battery thing first. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? That is nice, but which way is it round? Oh, it's only on the end. Oh, I thought it was. So that's the way. So it's like a thin. I like that, to be fair. Did it come off? Yeah. Put that there. Look at that. So let's make a mess. Let's have a look first off. So it goes out that way, so you can slot it on. That's what it is. These hold it on like that. Do you know what? I might put this in my shed. Actually, where's that remote? Let's see what we can do with this remote. M1. That's cool. Red. Oh. Look at that. That would hypnotise you, wouldn't it? Look into my eyes. Follow my voice. Let's go back. Anyway. Look at that. You are now entering the Twilight Zone. Do 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 do. What else is on here? CS, whatever that is. C7. I guess I'll have to have a look at the instructions. So what's this one do? Oh, look at that. That's pretty cool, that. So that is picking up my voice. So if you've got the music playing, that's not bad, is it? What's this one? Wow, that one's more lively. Hello. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello? Test 1, 2, 3. That's pretty cool. Testing. 1, 2, 3. I've probably got too much lights in here, to be fair. 1, 2, 1, 2. Whoa. Wow, that's something else. 1, 2. One step beyond. No. Okay, what is? Wow, that is pretty mental, isn't it? Imagine that in the face every time you spoke up. That. What else? Auto. What does that do? It just does random stuff. See 7. Does that just stay green? That goes brightness down, brightness up. Oh, well, that's hit the brightness. That's 8 doing its thing. It's not bad, is it? 7, 6, 5. It's got 5 meters of this, so I don't want to unwind it all, but I do like it. I do like that. That's pretty nice. Let's see if you can get it all in one. Is this seeing that? Let's see if we get it all in one color. So what does that do? Oh, you can change the colors by pressing. Put the brightness. Oh, there's some nice colors here. Look at that. That is really nice. I might keep this for the shed. Just figure out where to put it. That's the thing. Would you put this in the shed? This is pretty cool. I like this. Right, let's have a look. This, I'm sure this was $9.99 in Home Bargains. I'm sure they've still got them there. Here's the thing here, look. If you can see that. It's got rhythmic cycles on the top here. Then it's got the modes, then the timer on there where it shuts down, then you got the musical rhythms here. So if I press that, it only reacts when I speak, which is not bad, is it, to be fair? Well, I'm not speaking now, so what's it doing? Wow. Hello? That is pretty cool, I like that. What about this way? So that goes out. What about this one? This spins on its own thing. What does this one do? Just a little gentle one, that is. And that one is a mad one. Wow. Can you imagine that in a line around the shed or wherever you want it? That's pretty cool. That I do like this. So if you want one, rush down to Home Bargains. Look for the Equatech LED neon lights switch. It runs off a USB or a USB adapter, whatever it is. $9.99, I think, in Home Bargains. Get one for yourself today. If you like this video, please like the video. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Until the next time, take care. Bye-bye. I downloaded the Magic Lantern app. You can get it on Apple apps, whatever it is. Quite easy to install. Just go through the stuff. So you can have presets are here. You can have the brightness here. You see where it goes down and then it goes back up. You can have white, yellow, purple. All these different colors you want. What's this? The style. You can have magic forward, so it's doing that. That's quite good, isn't it? Magic back. Color energy. Color jump. Color jump again. Color strobe. Quite good, isn't it? Loads and loads of different things. Red marquee, blue, green, blue, yellow, cyan, color race. Does it only do that once? Does it? No. There's quite a few. You can control the speed as well. It's not bad, is it? Curtains, whatever they are. I don't know what that means, to be fair. Trans. Colour to white. Oh, it goes from one to another. That's nice. That's quite nice. Water. White water back. White water. Oh, so you can have it like running. That's nice. Flow. Take a random one. And you can bring the speed up as well if you wanted to. Tail. Press the tail. Random one. Yellow tail back. Look at that. Run back. I don't know what that does. Whoa, look at that. So you get a dot. Yellow dot in the run back. I like that. Red run back. Look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? If you can have a shade on there so I can see it a bit more. Cyan. It's nice and bright. Red dot. Green dot. Look at that. That's pretty cool, isn't it? You've got settings in here, so you auto connect. Connects through Bluetooth, I'm sure it does. And instructions and all that. That's quite good, isn't it? I do like that. The app was free. Be careful when you do look in the App Store, because when you type in Magic Lantern, you'll get LED light strip controller. Now that one, you have to pay for it. That's not the one. The one I used was the one below that one, which was free, and that's all it does is control this, and this does whatever you'd want to do with these LEDs. Like I said, check it out in Home Bargains. Until the next time, take care. Bye bye.
Tap the box, peel the seal. What's inside could be a steal. Bits and bobs, cool little things. Unbox a little bit of everything within Mars. Snap the clip, tear the tape. Every package, a new escape. Tools and toys, big and small. Mars unboxes it all with Mars. Click to play, watch and see what surprises wait for me. Gadgets, gizmos, every find and unboxing journey, one of a kind with Mars. From to moon to Ali, treasures unpack, all defines with clever knack. Argos, dreams, and eBay gold, each unboxed thrill, a story told with Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Mars unboxes one by one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, join the journey, stories to tell with Mars. So come on down, don't miss the fun. Mars unboxes one by one. Like, subscribe, hit that bell, join the journey, stories to tell with Mars. Catch the thrill, watch the show, what's inside. Let's all know Mars makes everything